Hello guys, all of you good evening and welcome to our channel Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are preparing well, and in this video I am going to explaining the full detail notification of IBPS Clerk 2022, and these are the important dates. And the online registration starts from 1st July 2022 and ends at 21st July, and the online preliminary examination will conduct in the month of September and online main examination in the month of October 2022. And this is the eligibility criteria for all aspirants. And next, this is the age limit, and the minimum 20 years and maximum of 28 years, and this is the age relaxation of all categories. And next, educational qualification, and a student must graduate from a recognized university as on 21st July 2022, and a student must possess the valid mark sheet. And this is the exam pattern of IBPS Clerk 2022, and this is prelims examination, and there is 3 sections: English language, numerical ability and reasoning ability. English 30 questions, numerical ability 35 questions, and reasoning 35 questions, and total 100 questions, and the time duration is 60 minutes. And this is the exam pattern of mains. There are 4 sections and total 190 questions with maximum marks of 200, and the time is 160 minutes. And this is the medium of examination, and the medium of examination will be in the language of the state to which we are applying. So before going to fill your application, once again check the medium of examination to which you are applying. And these are the uploading documents, and this is the declaration format, and this is the examination fee. And these are the state-wise vacancies. So before going to fill your application to which you are applying, check the vacancies to which you are applying. And these are the exam centers. And these are the uploading documents: photo, signature, left thumb impression, and a declaration. So this is the detailed notification of IBPS Clerk 2022, and also I will provide the daily to-do list for this IBPS Clerk 2022, and also I am providing daily and evening IBPS RRB PO and Clerk to-do list, and including that I will provide this IBPS Clerk 2022 daily to-do list. And also I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And also if you have any doubts about this notification or while filling application, you can ask in my Telegram group Your Bankers Mantra, or comment in the comment section, and that my Telegram group link is in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And thank you for watching my video. please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and latest updates, and thank you.